There were also airplanes. This is from 1932, back when the airmail was carried in United States Army planes. In 1941, the Murray, Ohio Manufacturing Company commissioned a designer to create an airplane. In that year, World War II was raging in Europe, even though the United States had not yet got involved. The designer created this Army pursuit plane that was popular during 1941 and even was reproduced after the war. Of course, during the war, they could not produce because all of the steel was dedicated to the war effort.